Hey guys, Sarah the Valkyrie here, and this video I will be opening up my arcade block from the people who do Nerd Block. This is the January arcade block. If you've already seen the January Nerd Block video, you know that I sort of forgot to open them, you know, when it was January. So these are pretty late. Sorry. So let's just get right down to it. Arcade block in my little sweet Nintendo-like box. I love this box. This is my favorite like box design. It makes me all sorts of happy. Let's cut her open. Alright, first things first. T-shirt. And it is from Street Fighter V, the lovely Ryu. This shirt is awesome. And I'm going to layer it over the January Nerd Block shirt. And by the time I am done making these unboxing videos, I'm going to have 4 t-shirts on. That's not weird at all. Oh man, it's starting to get hot. But sexy, sexy Ryu. Gotta love him. Alright. What is this? Ooh! More things to wear. It is a Pokeball beanie cap. Obviously I'm gonna wear it. Oh, it's really super stretchy and soft and yeah, geeky, and I love it. Aw, look how cute I am. So many fandoms. Alright. Next up, Stress Reliever Morph Ball. No. He's cute. Oh. It makes a really funny like air noise when I squeeze it. So now whenever I'm angry, brr. Alright. Puzzle Cube. Exclusive arcade block item. Puzzle Cube. Mystery. I can't open this box. I'm really bad at unboxing videos because I can't even open the boxes. There we go. Oh. It's like a Mario Rubik's Cube, which I will not be making this wrong and then trying to do it, because I suck with a capital frickin' S at doing Rubik's Cubes. But this is really cool, and I can't wait to find a place to put it so people can see it and be all like, "Aw, I'm jealous, I wish I had a Mario Rubik's Cube." Alright. So I have a Scorpion bobblehead, a extremely deformed, giant-headed, bobble-headed Scorpion from Mortal Kombat 10, or X, however you want to say it, although technically it is 10. What's awesome is Scorpion is my favorite. I have a lot of Scorpion figures, and my friend bought me a Scorpion plushie, and yeah, I love him. He's my favorite. So this is really, really cool. Ah, stupid glare. What's bad is the glare is coming from my computer. Stupid computer. But necessary evils. someday I will get better equipment and I will be able to record things without silly glare and stuff like that. So, what is this? What is this? So, oh, it's a tin sign. Different accidents hurt. They hurt you, your coworkers, the company, and science. This is from Aperture. I know what that is. Oh, what is that? Let me look at my handy dandy. You got this in your thing. Portal. It's from Portal. Sorry, my brain is malfunctioning. I had a personal training session at the gym today, so not only is my body exhausted, but my mind is exhausted. So probably not the best time to be trying to make logical sentences and whatnot, but this is neat. It's a nice, like, tin aluminum sign thing. And that looks like that is the last bit for the arcade block. Yeah, that's a lot of fun. I love this stuff. That's a lot of fun. I like the surprises. You know, they tell you, oh, you're gonna get this or you're gonna get that, you know, little tiny hints, or like they'll give you a theme, but they don't tell you everything, and it's cool. And apparently the shirt that I got isn't the only option. It looks like you could... Is that Ken? I can't really tell. Ryu's covering him up, but there were 2 shirt options. But I like mine. I like Ryu. Yeah, he's not Chun-Li or anything, but I like him. He's cool. But yeah, that is it for this box. Thank you so much for watching. Another block video coming up soon. Watch it, unless you already did, in which case ignore me, because I'm tired. Anyway, thank you again, and if you would, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You get my undying love forever and ever if you do any of these things. And yeah, thanks again. See ya!